What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Hutt Jr. back again with another banger. Yes sir, we are in Miami, as you can tell by the beautiful palm trees that we have here. The whole crew is not even here yet. We still got Moto Mac on the way and his buddy. We got Randy's Reality. We got Easy Rider Moto. Oh my gosh, Fastlane D, Kudis, Rico, Kevin. Oh, it's gonna be a good time, baby. We're getting ready to go and get something to eat right now. I'll show you all the bikes here in a little while whenever everybody gets here. I'm not gonna walk around and show them all right now. We got an S1K, an S1K ZX6R, a V4S, V4SP2, CBR Fireblade RRR, giveaway bike from 650E, giveaway bike from Blondie Moto Vlogs that I won. This is Kudis's bike that he won from 650E in the giveaway series, as you can see. So yes sir, let's get it, baby. Listen to the Fireblade. Get my little cold start. Got the tree blowing. Look at it bluing. Ooh, that's looking nice. Ooh. Well, them carbon bits are bringing that bike together.
Hey, appreciate it, bro.
Beautiful. Clear. You know, thangy. You know what I'm talking about. Oh. Yeah. We're going out to get something to eat right now, like I said. It's our first day out. We just got here after a long 15.5-hour drive all the way down here to the beautiful Miami. Oh, dude, this is crazy. I found out last year while we were here that I actually had won this bike. Is what's crazy. To be back down here on this bike now is insane. We got a lot of awesome bikes gonna be out, man. Look at that. Porsche, Corvette. Yes, sir. Yeah, let's go. I'm so hyped to be out riding, man, in the freaking sun in 80-degree weather. It was literally just -10 back home, like not long ago. It's gonna be a beautiful week, man. We're gonna get some racing in. Oh, dude, I'm so happy to be down here. Oh my God, I'm so happy. So make sure you all stay tuned for this Miami series that we got. It's gonna be a great one, man. Oh, it's gonna be a great one. We got a 360 cam. We're gonna be getting some, you know, some gap cam footage. Hopefully I can give the gapple sauce to some of these beamers out here. Let's get it, baby. Oh. This motherfucker. He got me though. He got me though. I'm able to get him back. He wants to start the weekend off like that and choose violence. Miami, baby, beautiful palm trees, the water. Dude, it literally does not get better than this. It don't. Let's go. Let's go. We're in freaking Miami, baby. I am dummy white. We got another Porsche. Expect to see a lot of exotic cars out here in Miami, man. It's definitely an inspiring city. That's for sure. Yes, sir. Throw around wheelies on the deck already. Let's go. We've been working on them. He just got the exhaust on there. Let's get it, baby. Got Kudos taking off up front. My man, easy riding the wheelie. Taking off forwards, letting us start it off right. My man. Let's go! We're chilling in Miami. My man got the fresh kicks on too. I think we're going to get some Mexican food right now. Blondie girl, I love you. Look at my man Easy up here. He's a straight animal on a bike. Straight animal, man. Takes that beamer to the track. He does roll racing with it, drag racing. I mean, you name it. The man rides the bike. And he knows how to ride one too. Look at that, we got the beautiful airplane coming in. Yeah. It's alright for what this week's gonna hold, man. It's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful, I tell you. We're gonna give people some of the Gamble sauce. Check out the beautiful water. Yeah, I got oil all over my exhaust when I changed my exhaust before the trip. And I can smell it very strong. I would love to live down here one day. I could definitely get down with living down here. Oh, what? What is this? Look at this. Check this out. This is so cool. Check that out. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Now that is cool. Oh, that's dope. You all probably can't even hear me that well right now, but that's okay. I'm having a good time. That's what really matters. I actually just put a new mic in before this trip too, so hopefully you all can hear me. He's got that bike set up, man. That bike is fast. F-A-S-T, baby, fast. I couldn't wear the jacket out, bro. Not right now. We just came from pretty cold weather. It's actually snowing back home right now. There's like an inch or a half inch of snow on the ground right now as we speak back home. So I'm very mucho happy to be here. It's like 80, 85. Gosh. Listen to this freaking bike. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Yeah. 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 He killed that. He said, I'm gonna get myself. Well, that Fireblade never ceases to amaze. I do need gas. But I do need gas for me more so than the bike. I'm gonna tell you that right now. That's for sure. Oh! And I just hit a nutcracker. That's what happened back there. Oh my gosh. Somebody save me. from the Nutcracker. How come you didn't come get Gab? How come you didn't come get Gab? Yeah! Yeah! Oh, it's coming! It's coming, baby! It's coming! Don't you worry about it! Let's boop him one time real quick. Boop. Oh, he booped me back! He booped me back! We're gonna go that way. Yeah, we're gonna cut. Hell yeah. He was loving the bikes, man. You gotta love it when they love the bikes. Some people love it, some people hate it. They all want you to do a wheelie downtown. Check this out, baby. I don't know if you would really consider this like downtown. Yeah, my man. Look at all that beautiful art on the side of that. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't help but love it down here. Cop back there, boys. Simmer down now, simmer down. No wheelies. No wheelies! Not right now, man. There was a cop back there. Don't do it, bro. Not right now. Now ain't the time. They get you. Can't wait to take y'all like downtown Miami, bro, so you can see all the real nice, like... Oh, there's a TRX right there. Hell yeah. All the real nice places down through there. He's already got wheels on it and everything. It looks nice. Oh man. Yeah, we out back, baby. Yeah, that's all she wrote for the Yamaha R1 to the food spot, boys and girls. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to smash the like button, leave me a comment down below, and maybe even subscribe if you want to, because you know we got a lot of awesome content coming up, baby. This ain't even like half of the friggin' bikes that are going to be down here this weekend. This ain't even nowhere near half, bro. We're gonna have a lot of bikes, like probably a couple hundred out here just racing, baby. So come out here and you know, make sure to come back and check us out. You know what it is. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Deuces.